Before trial, how much does a trial judge actually know about your own particular case? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. When you bring a lawsuit for an accident case or a medical malpractice case or even a wrongful death case, during the course of your litigation, we have to go into court and let the judge know, give them updates, status conferences on exactly what's happening in your particular litigation. Keep in mind that every judge in New York has a huge caseload. Whether they have 200, 300, 400 cases they're handling at any one time, the point is that on most days during the week they are holding conferences on each of these cases. And so they may see 20 different cases, 30 different cases in an entire morning. And now they're going to have at least 2 or 3 attorneys on every single case that comes before them. Do you honestly think that they'll be able to remember all the details of every single case? The answer is, of course not. So now when we've been assigned to trial and we've been assigned to a trial judge, now the attorneys go before the judge for the purposes of letting him or her know what this case is all about. Now we have an opportunity to tell the judge a lot of the details that we didn't have the time before to go ahead during these status conferences to let the judge know about. But here now we have the opportunity to explain to the judge quickly what it is that we think was done wrong and what injuries you suffered as a result of that. The defense likewise has an opportunity to explain what their defenses are to this entire case. And in addition, we also provide the judge with something known as a trial brief, and that's very important. A trial brief gives the judge a clear understanding in written format of what our claims are in this case and what the injuries are that you have suffered. In addition, a trial brief also includes key pieces of law that we think is necessary to teach and educate the judge about the issues that are going to come up during the course of this trial. Now, many people believe that the judge knows all the law. Well, the reality is that the judge and his assistant, known as a law secretary or a law clerk, have the ability to research any aspect of law in New York and outside of New York. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on during the trial process here in the state of New York. A lot of people don't talk to you about this until you're actually involved in the trial, and now you're trying to play catch up and learn what actually is happening during the course of trial. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, one of the things I encourage you to do is to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.